Guys, so dito kami sa Amoranto ngayon. Namimili sila. Si Foodix Boy. Yan si Mama. Namimili. Si Papa. Diyan lang siya tambay. Magkano? Matitili. Doon sa kabila. How much? 500. Tapos na po sila mamili. Di ba ma? Okay ka na?
Hey, Uncle Baday!
Let's go! We're here at SNR. So we're going to do our grocery shopping. Our monthly grocery shopping. Sana ko kayo guys. Narinig niyo kaya ako? Hopefully narinig niyo ako. Kasi I'm wearing a mask. This is my boyfriend. Ang daming tao sa SNR. Nakita namin si Mark Baroka. Ayan. Hindi namin sila makita. Saan sila? Ano? Bakit?
Nag-re-apply ka na sunscreen.
Ha?
Nag-re-apply ako eh.
Maganda?
Hindi, alam ko na maganda talaga.
Maganda siya?
Di ba magputi-puti yung mukha ko?
Sana, diba?
Hindi po, ito lang buy one take one yung blueberry.
Yan yung happiness niya eh. Kuha ka na, dali.
Ayaw ng mama mo.
Dali na nga, kuha ka na.
Wala magagawa pag andito na yan.
Matamis lang siya.
Ay, wag na lang. Yun na lang.
Matamis lang siya, sir, pero wala siyang sugar.
May honey.
May honey, sir, gusto mo? Matamis lang siya, sir, ha? Pero no added sugar po, si honey lang napatamis.
Natural naman eh.
Pure honey lang.
How does it feel? Ikaw nagbubuhat niyan.
Yes.
Ito yung mga pinimili guys. Happy ka pa?
Wala.
Hey guys, and good evening. So today is August 25. It's already 6:17 p.m. So tonight na pala. And I have an interview at 7 p.m. with Miss Happy. This is a work from home job. Try ko na lang sama kayo pero most probably baka di ko kayo masama the whole process. Kasi for sure, I need to focus and I need to practice din. Kasi wala pang masyadong practice and wala pang idea kung ano yung house. Quick update. So na-move yung interview ko on Wednesday. Same time din naman. Pero sa August 27 na siya. Bukas meron din ng interview pero it's going to be online interview din. Pero at 4 p.m. I'll see you tomorrow and then on Wednesday as well. Bye guys! Hey guys! So ngayon, yung first interview ko talaga at 7 p.m. and it's already shit na nag-report call. 5:44 p.m. na. And then, maghihintay na lang tayo. Actually, nakabihis na ako. Tapos nakaayos na ng konti. Lipstick lang, konti blush on. Tapos nag-ayos na tayo ng talent. Naglagay na tayo ng konting accessories. Wish me luck, guys! Guys, I'm ready. Pray na rin ako kanina. Para di tayo kabahan. Pero anyways, kaya natin yan. Kasi with the provision and guidance of Lord, kaya natin ito. I thank you. Kaya ito. Hindi ko na kayo nasama. 30 minutes lang yung interview. Actually, may pinagawa siya sa akin writing assessment. So, email lang. Gano'n. May binigay siya sa akin scenario. Tapos, magsulat daw ako ng i-reply ko. I hope na may marinig tayo from her. So, yeah. Hey guys, and good evening. Tonight is August 29. So, meron akong interview tonight. So, yung interview ko will start at 10 p.m. But look at my face, inaantok na ako. Yeah, kasi during this time, tulog na ako. Hopefully, mag-start kami at exactly 10 p.m. or mas early than that. Kaya natin to guys. Kahit inaantok na ako. I was so busy the whole day.
Story to tell, said to stop you if I'd already heard it.
Hey guys, we're here at Loyola Memorial Park. So we're gonna visit my lola kasi her birthday is on September 4. Then sakto kasi walang pasok. So ngayon na namin naisipan magpunta. Kasama ko si Papa, Mama, si Lola Annie, kasi Tita Susan.
Ayan po si Dani, inay.
Yan si Dani.
I knew a couple words and let you go, 'cause I knew you preferred it.
Tapos na kami kay Tita Dani. Sunod na kami kay Lola. Punta na namin yung kanya lugar. Ano la, kaya mo pa mag-temple run? Ikaw ma, kaya mo pa? Maputik? Sige talang.
Find your way.
Ito na kami sa puntod ni Lola at sa ni Lolo.
Oh, sabi ka.
Feels like a crowd of theories in practice, and I won't fact check you away.
Guys, parang mali na nag-sleepers ako. Pero anyways, nandito na. Hilalalahirapan na. Sobrang puti kasi. Malala.
You think we're all his creation,
Ito naman kami kay Lola Rosmin.
and you, the only thing I put my faith in.
Guys, last na to. Dito kami kila Tito Sixto, Tito Zen, tsaka Ate Lorraine. Lahat ng side ni Papa dito. Sila nililibing.
Bought me a figurine, baby. I laughed at the weird souvenir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Sa appetizer ko, isang tofu sisig. Tapos, for meat, isa pong garlic chicken na small. For noodles po, isang sotangan gisado. Tapos isang mixed vegetable, saka po 3 rice.
Hey guys, and good evening. Tonight is September 2. It's already 7:17. And guys, nag-usap-usap kami magpa-friends. Ako, si Kenmark, tsaka si Charles. Kakain kami to celebrate my birthday. Pero tomorrow pa yung birthday ko. Ayun, dalawa pa lang kami ni Kenmark. Tapos hinihintay pa namin si Charles. Pero ayun, ang gonna open my cake. Thank you, Te. Ganda. Very funny.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Please.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, guys.
Ang titig ko na, kumukulot-kulot ka. Ay,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mama, baka ba? Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday. Parang kang bulaklak na. Next year kasi mauubos. Picture na, picture. Parang wala.
Kinder version.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you.
Mr. Binatog. Yeah, Mr. Binatog. With original topping na keso. Wow! Yummy!
Anong basa din ba?
Boteng you. Ito na na. Paarte. Bote you.
Boteji.
Ha?
Boteji.
Boteju.
Or tatanungin natin mamaya.
Oo.
Sa staff ko anong
Kung
basa.
anong tamang basa. Pero feeling ko ang tamang basa ay bote ba, Joe? Bote ni... Nakabudo. Thank you sa 13K.
Thank you, Danilo. Love you.
Thank you sa pakain.